Well, moving ahead with the bulletin, a tragic incident occurred this morning in Karkari Kanal village, Dwaraka, when a tree fell on a tubewell room built on a farm, resulting in the death of a woman and her 3 children. Her husband were also injured in the incident, and also the incident took place due to strong winds in the area, which caused the tree to collapse onto the structure. Authorities have initiated an investigation into the circumstances surrounding the tragic event.